Alright, here's another fan. This is a Lasko 12-inch oscillating table fan. I think the model number could be either 2150 or 3150, either of those two. It doesn't display a model number. These Lasko fans never did. I don't know why, but this is a Lasko version. These fans came in different names, Galaxy, Dayton, I think Celebrity as well. So these fans came in different names, and this is the blue version, as you can see. There were other versions that came in brown or amber. It's in pretty good condition. Still, it's not yellowed out. Still has its original color. Blades are in good shape. It has all of its plastic tabs, which is kind of uncommon on these. They tend to break off. Usually when I find these, half of them or all of them are just broken off. But this one has all four of them still on there. I would say this is a product from the 1980s. Like mid-80s perhaps. I'll go ahead and look this fan over and we'll turn it on. Here's the front. Side. Back. I'd like to someday find the 16-inch models of these. I don't have the 16-inch models of these yet. There's the bottom. Looks like all four rubber feet are still intact. Information's is here. Kind of hard to type 12-1. Well, I know that's not the model number. Like I said earlier, they don't display the model numbers on these fans. I think they did on their boxes though. Cords are all over the place now. Just the plug. It's not polarized. Alright, plug this in and we'll turn it on. Here's low. These are excellent fans. They are quiet pretty much on all three speeds, and they blow tons of air. They're not ridiculously loud like most of the new ones today. medium. And high. Blowing tons of air. Turn on the oscillator. And I'm going to turn it off. Bearings seem like they're still pretty good. Alright, there you have it. A Lasko 12-inch oscillating table fan.